Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A humble request to all of you to kindly have your mobile phones in an inaudible mode, please. This is a very special moment for all of us, where we all joined here for the listing ceremony of Silky Overseas Limited. It gives us a huge honor to have your brilliant presence here at the National Stock Exchange. Thank you to one and all. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Simran Ahuja, and we are pleased to have you here with us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of Silky Overseas Limited, a significant milestone for the company. Silky Overseas Limited was incorporated in 2016 and is engaged in the business of manufacturing and supplying bedding products, which includes mink blankets, bed sheets, comforters, and related items. The company's manufacturing facility is fully integrated, which includes knitting, dyeing, processing, printing, and packaging processes, which enable efficient production in large quantities, along with maintaining standard and durability. The company sells its products through various distributors, which are spread across along with e-commerce platforms such as Flipkart and Myntra. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on all the social media handles of the National Stock Exchange, and before we move ahead, we shall now present lovely bouquets to our distinguished dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, towards the beginning, please join me as we put our hands together and invite our Associate Vice President, National Stock Exchange, Ms. Parvati Murthy, to kindly join us here on stage and receive this bouquet, please. Thank you very much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome Mr. Savarmal Goyalji, promoter and managing director of Silky Overseas Limited. We welcome you, sir. Thank you so much. Shukriya, बहुत shukriya. Mr. Savarmal Goyalji. May we kindly welcome Mr. Ananya Goyal, promoter and whole-time director of Silky Overseas Limited. The very young entrepreneur. We're proud of you, Ananya, and congratulations in advance. Just a few minutes to go. May we kindly welcome Mr. Alok Harlalka, managing director, Greatex Corporate Services Limited. Thank you very much, dear sir. May we kindly request all our distinguished dignitaries to join us for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp ceremony. A humble request to all of you to please light the lamp, and let's have the brightness within us. We are all spiritual souls going through this human experience. Brightening up the room further by our ceremonial lighting of the lamp ceremony here at the listing ceremony of Silky Overseas Limited. For Silky Overseas Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank all our distinguished dignitaries for brightening up the room further and giving us this reminder that here we are all set to shine. For the opening speech, ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming the very dynamic Mr. Ananya Goyal, whole-time director and the promoter of Silky Overseas Limited. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Today marks not just a financial milestone, but a deeply personal one as well. Before I begin, I want to take a moment to honor my late mother. Her values, strength, and a quiet faith have shaped me who I am. She's no longer with us, but everything I do carries with me. This moment is as much hers as it is mine. I also want to thank my father, my biggest supporter, my strength. He has walked beside me through every heartbreak. He has faced unimaginable hardships, often in silence, just to make sure I could keep moving forward. Uh, so his resilience, his sacrifice, and his belief in me are the foundation on which I stand today. So this moment belongs to him too. When we started this journey, we didn't know how far it would take us. Like most businesses, we began with a simple belief that we could build something valuable, something lasting. But along the way, we discovered something even more important, and what it truly means to persist, to evolve, and to lead with purpose. An IPO is often seen as a destination, but for us, it's a beginning, a new chapter of accountability, transparency, and ambition. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the investors for believing in our vision, to our team uh, for carrying the company through its hardest hours and the boldest moves, and our customers who have shaped our products and challenged us to be better. My family and my loved ones, I love you dearly. You know who you are. And again, my father, thank you. So it's going public is it's a promise that we will continue to innovate, build with integrity, and always honor the trust this market has placed in us. To all the entrepreneurs out there, I have a message that, especially those in the trenches, that who are always wondering if it's ever going to work. So I've been there. I can tell you this: resilience compounds. So resilience always compounds. So as we step into this next phase, our commitment remains clear: sustainable growth, deep customer impact, and long-term value creation for everyone, for all our stakeholders. Thank you for being part of this moment. I want to thank Alok sir, the team at Gretex, everyone who worked extremely hard, Pradeep sir, Robin sir. So it's been a very difficult. Sandeep sir, my auditor, Mr. Manish Pandey sir, who's not with us. We lost him along the way on 17th March, but I know he's watching. And I know he's proud of us as well. So everyone, just everyone. It's been a very long and difficult journey. So it's been, and the result, and it's extremely satisfying, I'm extremely filled with gratitude to each and everyone involved. So thank you.
Really kind of you, Mr. Ananya, for also sharing with us a little experience and the journey. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue the applause and put our hands together as we like to invite Mr. Alok Harlalka from Greatex Corporate Services Limited to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion and the journey you've had with Silky Overseas Limited. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, friends. Energy नहीं आ रही है. Little bit loudly. Good morning, everyone. Friends, it's a great pleasure for Gretex that Silky Overseas Limited is the 53rd company under the banner of Gretex getting listed in the SME platform with NSE. The journey was too long between Gretex and Silky. Thank you, Samarmal ji. Thank you, Ananya, for giving us an opportunity to list your company in NSE Image platform. And today, I'm missing one person, जिसको हमने last year हमने खो दिया है, Mr. Manish Pandey, who has referred this company to us. So उनका बहुत बड़ा रोल था इस कंपनी के लिस्टिंग में. So ठीक है, कुछ इंसिडेंट में he is no more now with us. So we are missing him a lot. But yes, after that we have turned up. I mean, जब कोई लिस्टिंग करवाते हैं तो काफ़ी challenges आते हैं. So definitely to overcome those challenges, entire team of Silky, entire team of Manish Pandey and Associates, entire team of Gretex has done a great job, and today we have seen that today we are getting listed now in NSE Machine platform. Friends, I have some information about the issue subscription, which I think after a long time, this kind of subscription has been done under the banner of Gretex. So I need applauses in terms of the number which I'm going to announce one by one, so you can applause accordingly. So friends, in the QIB portion, we have offered for 3,18,400 number of shares. And friends, we have got the subscription of 2,57,600 number of shares. We have received the application of 322 crore 92 lakh 73,600 amount of money we have, subscription we have received under the portion of QIB. For NII, we have offered for 2,39,200 number of shares. Against that, we have got the application of 10 crore 29 lakh 5,600 number of shares. The value 1,656 crore 78 lakh 1,600. And for the retail portion, we have offered for 5 lakh 57,600 number of shares. Against that, we have got the application of 6 crore 65 lakh 43,200 number of shares. Against that, amount was 10 crore 71 lakh 34,000. 1,071 crore 34 lakh 55,200 amount we have received. So we have offered in the IPO was 11 lakh 15,200 number of shares. Out of that, we have got the subscription of overall 18 crore 95 lakh 6,400 number of shares. Value was 3,051 crore 5 lakh 30,400. So this is a great moment for us. And overall, this issue size was 30.68 crore. So now let me share the information of the intermediaries who has given their best to get this company listed. So the merchant banker to the issue was Gretex Corporate Services Limited. Underwriter to the issue was Gretex Corporate Services Limited and Gretex Share Booking Limited. Market maker to the issue was Gretex Share Booking Limited. Banker to the issue was Axis Bank Limited. Registrar to the issue was Skyline Financial Services Private Limited. Peer review auditor was Messrs. Manish Pandey and Associate Chartered Accountants. Legal advisor was Victorium Legalis Advocates and Solicitors. Advertiser to the issue was Genius Advertising. And IRPR was done by Equibridgex Advisors Private Limited. So all these intermediaries have played a great role to get this company listed. And I'm sure today, after having so much of subscription, we may have a good listing as well. So thanks to all the investors who have shown faith on company, and I'm sure that investor will make money gradually. Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Alok Harlalka. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please kindly request Shri Krishnan Iyer, Senior Vice President, National Stock Exchange, to shed some light at this momentous occasion and to celebrate in advance for the next few minutes for Silky Overseas Limited. Humble thanks to you, sir.
Shri Savar Mal Goyal, Chairman, Managing Director, Silky Overseas Limited. Shri Ananya Goyal, Whole-Time Director, Silky Overseas Limited. Shri Alok and Sumita Lalka, Gretex Corporate Services. Other dignitaries, employees, family members, well-wishers. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Silky Overseas Limited. Silky Overseas Limited is a manufacturer and supplier of bedding products marketed under the brand Ryan Decor. NSE is proud to welcome Silky Overseas Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 640th company to list on the NSE Emerge platform. The total market capitalization of NSE Emerge listed companies has crossed 210,000 crores, and the total funds raised by all the limited companies on the Emerge platform till date is around 18,500 crores. From today onwards, Silky Overseas Limited is an integral part of the NSE Emerge platform. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world after US, China, and Japan. India's market capitalization has grown about 120 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operations in 1994, which stands at about 459.16 lakh crores, that is USD 5.38 trillion. Today, NSE has over 11.3 crore unique investors, having about 222 crore accounts, reaching 99.9% of all the PIN codes registered in the country. That covers 20%, more than 20% of all the households in India directly investing in stock markets today. It's a testament to India's entrepreneurial spirit and the trust of its people on its entrepreneurs. The IPO of Silky Overseas Limited, with an issue size of 30.68 crores, garnered a very good response. I congratulate the entire team of Silky Overseas Limited, the merchant bankers Greatex, and other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. Today's successful listing is a testimony of their efforts. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate funding opportunities for upcoming organizations to charge their growth and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of Silky Overseas Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. Today, two more companies, Pushpa Jewellers Limited based in Calcutta and Cedar Textile Limited based in Bangalore, are also getting listed on the NSE Merge. We once again welcome Silky Overseas Limited at NSE. We hope that with this listing today, we have a strong partnership between us, and we look forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising opportunities. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. May we please kindly request you, Shri Krishnan Iyer, sir, to now present the special memento on this very special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's absolutely a very, very special moment for all of us, as in commemoration of this special occasion, we shall now exchange mementos. May we please welcome the Managing Director and Promoter of Silky Overseas Limited, Mr. Savarmal Goyalji, and Mr. Ananya Goyal, Whole-Time Director and Promoter of Silky Overseas Limited, to kindly accept our memento from National Stock Exchange. May we please, Savarmal sir, we still have to receive proud to be listed and the certificate as well. Yet another brilliant milestone by Silky Overseas Limited. Please accept our precious book as a token of love. Followed by proud to be listed badges. Thank you, sirs. May we please kindly request Mr. Alok Harlalka, Director of Greatex Corporate Services Limited, to kindly join us here to receive a very special memento by National Stock Exchange, along with Sumit Harlalka. Thank you, Greatex Corporate Services Limited, Mr. Alok and Sumit Harlalka. Ladies and gentlemen, And now we shall present mementos by Silky Overseas Limited. May I please kindly once again request Mr. Savarmal Goyal ji and Mr. Ananya Goyal, both of them, to kindly join us here and present the mementos. At first, to our Senior Vice President, National Stock Exchange, a humble request to Mr. Sri Krishnan Iyer sir to kindly receive this, a small token of love, a memento, on behalf of Silky Overseas Limited. Let the applause continue. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put our hands together for the trailblazer, the managing director who dared to dream big, to have his vision turn into a reality. May we please give a huge roar of applause and welcome Sir Savarmal Goyal ji. To kindly propose the vote of thanks, we have another 4 minutes before we have the bell gong ceremony. Thank you, sir.
मेरे 44 साल की बिजनेस जर्नी में ये मोमेंट आया है। मेरे बेटे ने इसके लिए बड़ी मेहनत करी, उसका थैंक और ग्रेटेक्स प्लस मनीष पांडे ने सोसाइटी की टीम ने हमें इस स्टेज पे लाया। इससे आगे हम बढ़ने की कोशिश करें। थैंक यू।
सर, आपके वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम हैं और आपके 2 शब्द ने ही, 2 सेंटेंसेस ने सब कुछ कह दिया। एक बार फिर से देवियों और सज्जनों, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज। मैं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी to all our distinguished dignitaries to kindly join us here for the most awaited moment that we've been waiting for, which has arrived. A humble request to Sir Krishnan Iyer ji, please, along with Alok Harlalka, Sumit Harlalka, Mr. Ananya, which is a very proud milestone moment when Silky Overseas Limited will see itself listed on the National Stock Exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 1 more minute, and then join us for our countdown as well, our customary countdown for 10. We have just exactly 1 more minute to go before we have the clock ringing 59. I'm going to request Mr. Ananya, maybe please have the photo op meanwhile. A lovely photo op. The moment before the bell ringing ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. A moment to be relished forever. It's time for us to celebrate this moment and congratulate everyone from Silky Overseas Limited, to everyone who's had their faith in us and believed in us. Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? All right, I want a loud countdown, our customary countdown. We can go ahead and have the countdown for 20 as well today. Thank you. I can see the mobile phones active. That's brilliant. The moment is here, ladies and gentlemen. The proud milestone moment for Silky Overseas Limited. Today, Monday, the 7th of July, 2K25 at sharp 10 a.m. Let's begin with 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartfelt congratulations. Silky Overseas Limited is now listed on the National Stock Exchange. A proud moment for all of us. Congratulations to everyone for your faith and the showers of love. And now we shall be here for another 2 minutes for a surprise taking place, where I'm going to once again request Mr. Savarmal, sir, and Mr. Ananya to join us here. We have next 2 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very, very special moment as there is a big surprise for Silky Overseas Limited, for which we'll take a couple of seconds. But this is a moment for all of us to relish and kindly share this with all your loved ones. We were live here on the social media of NSE India, National Stock Exchange of India. So please go ahead and share it with all your loved ones. We were live on Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram of NSE India. So what's in store now? Well, there is a surprise, and we already had the picture at our very significant bull. So thank you to each and every one of you for making it very memorable for all of us, and to all of us watching us live from across the world. Thank you for your faith here in us at Silky Overseas Limited. We truly want to thank each and every one of you and express our heartfelt gratitude. Humble thanks with folded hands. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm going to put my hands together for each and every one of you for joining us here this very brilliant, bright Monday morning. And at the same time, with your bright smiles, you've traveled all the way to join us here live. In the next few seconds, we're going to have a surprise for which we shall request, and I'm going to see the reaction on Mr. Ananya's face as well for that. Are you aware of what is the surprise for you? All right. Well, the secret is only with Sri Krishnan sir. Now wait for that. Wow. I'd like to thank everyone here, and what a beautiful feeling to be here at our iconic National Stock Exchange. Thank you very much. May we please kindly once again put our hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, our Senior Vice President, Sri Krishnan Iyer sir, to join us here. A beautiful moment indeed. We're all living in this world of artificial intelligence, the world of AI. Everything is instant. And here we have a surprise by our Senior Vice President, Sri Krishnan Iyer sir, to both of us. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put hands together once again for Mr. Savarmal Goyal ji and Mr. Ananya Goyal ji. Kindly take a look at this, sir, at that side. And what is this? What is this, Mr. Ananya? Isn't it a surprise? All right, it's the sharp 10 a.m. picture captured. The picture captured here when we got listed and the bell rang. So that is the picture presented to Silky Overseas Limited, Mr. Savarmal Goyal and Mr. Ananya Goyal, as a token of love from NSE. A humble thanks to our Senior Vice President, National Stock Exchange, Sri Krishnan Iyer. It's been truly a beautiful moment with each and every one of you. Thank you for truly making it momentous. Humble thanks. And thank you, Greatex Corporate Services. Thank you to each and every one of you. Please do join us this morning for refreshments and feel really fresh. Breakfast is awaiting your presence, and feel free to have your photo ops here as well. Thank you very much once again to each and every one of you, and Global Namaste.